ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 730th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 12th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Vidura told Dhritarashtra about how Bhimasena killed Kirmira. Then Dhritarashtra Maharaju, while breathing heavily, and he was not feeling happy. So, here in the forest, all the Pandavas were there. They moved to Daitya Vanam, and there all the great kings like Bhoja, Vrishni, Andhaka, those soldiers came. Drishtadyumna, Drishtaketu, all these great soldiers came along with Vasudeva. Krishna also came. And having Krishna ahead, all these kings are saying to Dharmaraju, what can we do for you? Like that they are all asking. Then Krishna asked, O Dharmaja, because of Duryodhana, Karna, Shakuna, Dushasana, you got into this kind of trouble. Duryodhanasya, Karnasya, Shakunescha, Duratmanaha, Dushasana, Chaturdhanam, Bhumih Pasyati, so nitam. This Bhumi is definitely going to drink the blood of those four: Duryodhana, Shakuni, Dushasana, Karna. O Dharmaja, let us all together kill these four, and then whoever follows them, and kill all others also. Then we will make Dharmaraju as the king. We will do Pattabhishekam to Dharmaraju. And Nikrityopacharanam Vadhyayesha Dharmas Sanatanaha. Those who cheats others and feels happy should be killed by any possible way. That is what our Sanatana Dharmam says. Like that, Sri Krishna was getting so angry because he was unable to see Pandavas in that state. When Krishna was getting so much angry, then Arjuna trying to pacify Krishna Paramatma while praying him, while praising him like this: Purushasya prameyasya satyasya amitatejasaha prajapatipater vishnoho lokanadhasya dhimataha. O Krishna, you are Purushottama, you are an embodiment of Satyam. You are the master of all the Prajapatis. You are the protector of all worlds. And you are the one who has lived on Gandhamadana mountain for 10,000 years. You are Narayana Rishi. And you are the one Desavarsha Sahasrani, Desavarsha Sitani cha. You are the one who has lived in Pushkara Tirthas for 11,000 years while just drinking only water. O Madhusudana, you are the one Atishta Ekapadena Vayubhakshaha Satam Samaha. You are the one who did tapasya in Badarikashramam while standing on one leg and stretching both shoulders towards space, and while just breathing but not eating anything, not drinking anything, only with the breathing you have lived over there, did that tapasya for 100 years. Like that, Arjuna praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.